Namaste, welcome to my channel Yoga with Mukta. I am Mukta. Today I'll be taking you through one of the basic and simple breathing techniques which will be very helpful and beneficial to practice pranayama and also meditation. If you are among those who wants to practice pranayama and meditation and you don't know from where actually to start, then this video is for you. In this session today I'll be explaining you the simple and the most beneficial breathing techniques, yogic breathing techniques, as well as the techniques to do mind and breath synchronization so that you can master your pranayama as well as meditation easily. Without delay, let's get started. Sit in comfortable position. Whenever you sit for meditation or pranayama, make sure you sit in a comfortable position. Either you can sit in a cross-legged position or Siddhasana or Ardha Siddhasana or Vajrasana, whichever works for you. I always prefer sitting in Ardha Siddhasana where my left heel comes closer towards the perineum and gentle pressure on our perineal region, keeping your spine straight and then sitting in a comfortable position. So this way you can sit as long as you wish. If sitting on the floor is difficult for you, in such cases you can sit on a chair where both your legs will be on the floor and your palms will be on your knees. If sitting down is uncomfortable for you, then in such cases you can always take a thick blanket or else a cushion so that it helps you to sit down for a longer duration. Well, this is for sitting. Now let's come for the hand posture or the hand gestures. It's called mudras. Normally, whenever we go for meditation, we will be taking our hands in chin mudra, that is tip of the thumb to your tip of your forefinger, and back of your palms will be resting on your knees. While sitting in this posture, make sure your palms are not going to fall down off the knees. It should be always be present on the knees. Okay, and so that to do that your elbow is going to be drawn inward. When you do this and keep your spine straight, your chest is forward, sternum is forward, opening your chest nicely straight. Okay, either hands can be in chin mudra, this is chin mudra, palms are facing upward to the sky, or else gyan mudra. Gyan mudra is down, that shows that you are very humble and grounded. Or else if sitting in this mudra is also difficult, you can keep your fingers wide open so that your palms look up to the sky. So this is about our hand gestures or hand mudras. Now firstly, I'll be taking you through one of the basic breathing technique. First we'll start with the yogic breathing. So what is yogic breathing? Yogic breathing is breathing through your abdomen, chest region and clavicular region. So in yogic breathing, what we will be doing is, as you inhale deep through your nose, you are going to observe the breath where your abdomen is going to rise up like a balloon, and then after your abdomen rises up, your chest is going to expand, and then your clavicular region. It's okay if you are unable to find the breath in your clavicular region. It's okay to sense your breath in your abdominal region and your chest region. Okay, and while you exhaling, it is the chest region contracts first, and then the air from the abdomen exhales completely. So you need to feel the wave-like motion of your breath. So what you are supposed to observe is, as you inhale, you are going to inhale deep, and you are going to observe that your abdomen is expanding, rising up, and then your chest is expanding. And as you exhale, it's first the chest contracts and then the abdomen sinks down. This is yogic breathing, and we are going to observe this pattern for 5 times now. Sit comfortable, hands in chin mudra, your head or chin is slightly tilted up. It's always important to keep your spine straight throughout your practice. Okay, let's get started. Roll your shoulder backwards thrice, keeping your spine straight. Left heel touching your perineal region. Spine is erect. Hands, tip of the thumb to your tip of your forefinger. Back of your palms are resting on your knees. Elbows are drawn inward so that your chest is forward, spine is straight, and your head is slightly tilted up. Eyes are closed. Now we are going to observe simple yogic breathing. Remember, as you inhale, your stomach is going to rise up like a balloon and his chest is going to expand. And as you exhale, chest contracts and then abdomen sinks down. This is our yogic breathing, and with the 5 breaths, you are going to observe the wave-like pattern of your breath. Without any efforts, simply observe your breathing. Let's start. Inhale deep and observe your abdomen rising up and expand your chest. As you exhale, your chest contracts and abdomen sinks down. One more time. Inhale deep. Your abdomen is filling up with air and chest is expanding. As you exhale, your chest contracts and your abdomen sinks down. Observe the wave-like motion. Inhale. Abdomen rising. Expansion of the chest. Exhale. Chest contracts. Abdomen sinks down. Inhale, expanding your abdomen, chest expands. Exhale, chest contracts and abdomen sinking down. One last time. Inhale deep. Your abdomen is rising up like a balloon and chest is expanding to the fullest. As you exhale, your chest contracts and your abdomen sinks down. Keeping your eyes closed, just observe the natural flow of your breath for 3 times. As you observe the natural flow of your breath, you're already sensing your breath as calm down. Your mind is naturally getting calm and peaceful. As you experience this natural flow of your breath, gently with few blinks, you can open your eyes. This was our simple yogic breathing technique. Now I'll be taking you to the next practice, that a simple mind and breath synchronization. So what is this mind and breath synchronization is? Listen carefully and watch me. See here, you are having a nose, right? So what you will be doing is you are going to visualize the complete nose. Your nose is going to make a triangle. So the vertex of the triangle will be at the center of your eyebrows, that is at your ajna. So what you will be doing over here is, with the eyes closed, we are going to breathe, inhaling. As I said, it's a mind and breath synchronization. So while inhaling, will be just both the hands will be in chin mudra. You're not going to use your hands. You're going to synchronize breath with the mind. You can watch me doing. It's more of a mind technique rather than the breath. Your breath may not happen in that way, but constantly you try to synchronize it. Okay, so observe me as I give you the explanation, and then we can practice together. So you're going to keep your spine straight and sit in a comfortable position. Now hands will be in your chin mudra. Now what you are going to do is, you are going to visualize a triangle from the nostril to the center of the eyebrows. Now I will be breathing only from the left nostril. So what I will be doing is, you are going to inhale from the left nostril. And as you inhale, you visualize as if the air is going straight up to the center of the eyebrows here. And as you exhale, your awareness is completely from the center of the eyebrows. Your breath, you are trying to bring it down from the left nostril only. While you do this, it happens so that even in your right nostril you will be breathing, but your awareness will be completely only with the left nostril. You inhale deep through the left nostril, you go and you will be there at the center of the eyebrows, and then you exhale from the left nostril. Likewise, we are going to do 5 times for the left side. Once we complete left side, we do the same practice to the right side. We inhale through the right nostril, take to the center of the eyebrows, and then from there we are going to bring it down. Okay, sit comfortable, eyes closed. Just follow the instructions with eyes closed. It's more of mind synchronization with the breath. It's okay, it may not come in the first, but you just need to concentrate as if you are synchronizing breath with the mind. Okay? Well, sit comfortable. Hands are in chin mudra. Spine is straight. Your head is slightly tilted up. As you inhale, you visualize you are inhaling only through your left nostril. It's reaching the center of the eyebrows, and slowly you are exhaling through the left nostril. Inhale left, reaches center of the eyebrows. Exhale left. Inhale left. Reaches the center of the eyebrows. Exhale left. Inhale left. Reaches the center of the eyebrows. Exhale left. One last time. Inhale left. Reaches the center of the eyebrows. Exhale left. Awareness rotation to your right side. We are repeating for right side, same practice. Inhale deep through your right nostril. Reaches the center of the eyebrows. Exhale slowly through your right nostril. Inhale right. Exhale right. Inhale right. Reaches the center of the eyebrows. Exhale right. Inhale right. Reaches the center of the eyebrows. Exhale right. One last time. Inhale deep right. Reaches the center of the eyebrows. Exhaling slowly right. Good. Without opening your eyes, observe the natural flow of your breath. Just follow the instructions with eyes closed. We are going to breathe through both the nostril and take the breath to the center of the eyebrows, converging, and be there for 1 to 2 seconds. And exhale. As you exhale, the breath diverges to the left and the right nostril, and again be there for 1 to 2 seconds after the exhalation. We repeat this for 5 times. Let's begin. Keep your spine straight, eyes closed, chin slightly tilted up. Inhale deep through both the nostrils, reaching the center of the eyebrows. Be there, holding the breath for 2 seconds. Exhale slowly. It's diverging from left and right nostril both. Once you completely exhale, hold the breath. Now again, inhale through both the nostrils. Reaches the center of the eyebrows. Be there. Exhale through both the nostrils. Hold. Inhale both nostrils. Reaching the center of the eyebrows. Be there. Exhale through both the nostrils slowly. Hold. Inhale deep through both the nostrils. Center of the eyebrows, be there. Exhale both the nostrils. Slowly. Once you exhale completely, hold. Gently release your breath. Observe the natural flow of your breath. Now, the same practice with inhaling through your left nostril reaches the center of the eyebrows and you exhale through your right nostril. It's again mind and breath synchronization, and then you inhale through your right nostril, reaches the center of the eyebrows and exhale through the left nostril. Likewise, we again do it for 5 rounds. Sit straight, spine straight, head slightly tilted up. Let's begin. Follow the instructions. Inhaling approximately keep for 5 to 6 seconds. Exhaling again 5 to 6 seconds approximately. We'll keep the equal seconds for inhalation and exhalation. Let's start. Inhale deep through your left nostril. Exhale through your right. Inhale through your right. Exhale through your left. This is one round. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. 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 Good. Be there. Observe the natural flow of your breath. Your mind is getting more calm and peaceful. Your breath is getting soft and slow. As you learn this, gently, with few blinks, you can open your eyes. Good. Now we'll be going for the next one, that is Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. So for Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, left hand will be in Chin Mudra, right hand will be in Nasagra Mudra or else in Vishnu Mudra. So in Nasagra Mudra, you are going to take your forefinger and middle finger and you are going to place it at the center of the eyebrows, whereas your right thumb is going to close the right nostril. If you want, your ring finger is going to close the left nostril. As we do the practice, you can either practice in Nasagra Mudra by using your thumb to close right nostril, using your ring finger to close left nostril. If this is uncomfortable for you, or if you are not okay with it, the other one is Vishnu Mudra. So for Vishnu Mudra, you are going to close your forefinger and middle finger. Okay, and you are going to use your thumb to close your right nostril, and you are going to use your ring finger to close your left nostril. Again, in this Nadi Shodhana, we are going to do alternative nostril breathing. You are going to inhale through your left nostril, but this time we are using the hands. So it's like this: you are going to take your right thumb, closing the right nostril without any effort. You are going to inhale deep through your left nostril, and then with your ring finger you are going to close the left nostril, and you are going to exhale through your right nostril. Again, you are going to inhale through your right nostril, closing the right nostril. You are going to exhale through your left nostril. This is one round of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. The same practice as we did with the breath synchronization previously, the same practice we are doing here with usage of the hands. So this is the Nadi Shodhan stage 1. Okay, so let's start. Hands either in Nasikra Mudra or else in Vishnu Mudra. I am comfortable with Vishnu Mudra, so I go for Vishnu Mudra. Forefinger and middle finger are closed. We'll be doing 5 rounds of Nadi Shodhan. You can keep 6 seconds for inhalation deep, and exhalation you keep it for 6 rounds of exhalation. Now in this round we are not going to keep any retention of breath. We are just breathing alternative nostril breathing. Let's start. 6 rounds of alternative nostril breathing. Okay, let's begin. Take your right thumb, close your right nostril. If you want, you can keep your eyes closed. Expel out any excess air if you are having through your left nostril. Now let's begin. Inhale deep through your left. Close left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Exhale left. This is one round. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Exhale left. Inhale left. close left, exhale right. Inhale right, close right, exhale left. Inhale left, close left, exhale right. Inhale right, close right, exhale left. Inhale left, close left, exhale right. Inhale right, close right, exhale left. Release. Observe the natural flow of your breath. Now, with your eyes closed, just listen to my words. In this second stage of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, we are going to keep exhalation twice than that of inhalation. So, if we are inhaling for 5 seconds, we are going to keep the exhalation for 10 seconds. As a beginner, you can start with 3 to 6, 4 to 8, 5 to 10, whichever works for you. So initially you can start with 4 to 8, which is quite easier. As you start doing the practice, you can go for 5 to 10. Then eventually you can progress it. So always you are going to keep 1:2 ratio. Let's do this for 5 rounds. Now we are going for stage 2 of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, keeping 1:2 ratio. 1 is for inhalation, 2 is for exhalation. You can keep the ratios whichever is comfortable for you. 4:8, you can keep the ratios anything whichever is comfortable for you. Inhalation 3, exhalation 6, or inhalation 4, exhalation 8, or inhalation 5, exhalation 10, or inhalation 6, exhalation 12. Whichever works for you, you are going to stick to that one particular ratio and you are going to practice for couple of weeks, and then you are going to progress by adding few extra seconds for the action. Now let's start our practice of Nadi Shodhana stage 2. Left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra, right thumb closing the right nostril. Keep your spine straight throughout the practice. Expel out any excess air through your left nostril. We are maintaining 1:2 ratio. I'll be keeping for 5 to 10. Inhale deep through your left nostril. Close left nostril. Exhale through your right. 10 seconds. Inhale deep through your right nostril. 5. Close right. Exhale left. 10. Inhale deep, left 5. Close left, exhale right 10. Inhale right 5. Close right, exhale left 10. Inhale deep, left 5. Close left, exhale right 10. Inhale right 5. Close right, exhale left 10. Inhale left 5. Close left, exhale right 10. Inhale right 5. Close right, exhale left 10. Inhale left 5. Close left, exhale right 10. Inhale right 5. Close right, exhale left 10. Gently release. Observe the natural flow of your breath. Your mind is naturally calm and peaceful. Your breath is soft and slow. Observing the calmness in your mind. Gently bring your awareness towards your physical body. Make sure you are keeping your eyes closed, spine is straight, hands are either in Chin Mudra or fingers are wide open, looking up to the sky. Keeping your spine straight, your head is slightly tilted up. Now, I'll be taking you to one of the visualization meditative technique. It's called Kaya Sthiram. All you need to do is you're going to sit still and listen to my words and visualize it accordingly. Kaya Sthiram means still body. Observe the natural flow of your breath. take your awareness towards your legs. As you take your awareness towards the legs, visualize your legs to become roots of a tree. Your legs have become roots of a tree. It is deep inside the soil and it is widely spread. Your legs are in contact with the Mother Earth. It has become a root of a tree. It's strong and stable. Gently bring your awareness towards your hip region. From your hip region, your trunk and your head becomes the trunk of a tree. This tree is very strong and huge. It is stable and fixed. Your body and head has become trunk of a tree which is nicely fixed to the ground. Your hands have become the branches of a tree. This tree is huge, tall and strong. You are strong and stable as just like a tree. You have become stable and fixed. You can't move now. You are stable and fixed. You are a tree which is long and tall. Gently bring your awareness towards the root of a tree and become aware that these roots are nothing but your right leg and left leg. As you come upward towards the base of the tree, become aware that the base of a tree is nothing but your hip region. As you come towards the trunk of a tree, be aware it's your trunk and head region. As your head stands straight, it's the shoot of the tree that is growing. It's strong and straight. Your arms are nothing but the branches of the tree. Be aware of your body. Be aware of the different parts of the body. You have legs, You have hips, you have trunk, you have head, and you have hands. You are a tree. You are fixed, strong, and stable. Visualizing yourself as a tree, you stay always grounded and humble. You always are helpful for the people around you. You are a Kalpavruksha. You are a tree. You always become useful for people around you. You are a tree. You are helpful for the people around you with your work, with your love, with your kindness, and with your empathy. You are here to spread the unconditional love to the world. You are strong and stable. You stay always humble and grounded. You are connected to the Mother Earth. Visualize your own body from head to toe. As you visualize your own body, you observe the calmness in your mind, calmness in your breath. You are very peaceful. Gently bring your awareness back towards your body. Feel your legs. Feel your hands, feel your trunk, feel your head. Gentle movements with your hands and legs, feeling your body, being aware of the environment around you. Feel the air that is touching you. Sense the smell that's coming towards you. As you get aware of this, gently moving your legs and hands, bring your hands to the chest center. Let's chant Omkara. Inhale deep. Observe the vibrations and resonance of Omkara around you. Allow these vibrations to seep inside your body. As you absorb these vibrations and positive energies, gently release your hands, take it back, catch your opposite elbows, inhaling, lift up your chest and chin, exhale, bend forward.
Show your gratitudes to the universal energy and Mother Earth. Thank Mother Earth for this beautiful experience on this earth. Also, thank the universal energy for sending you onto this planet. Showing your love, respect and gratitudes for everything you have in your life. Slowly, inhaling, come up.
Release your hands, rub your palms, generating heat, cup your eyes. Gently slide your hands to the chest center. With few blinks looking into your palm, open your eyes with a smiling face, welcoming your day. Namaste, Hare Om, Tat Sat. Thanks for your practice. How did you find this session? Please let me know in the comment section so that I can deliver better in my next videos. Namaste. Thank you.